big shout out to Mubad. Make gentle soul continue to rest in peace. It's so sad. It's almost a year now, going to a year. No justice done this served, and just be like say we done in slow motion for this country. You get now. Even of recent, I hear update on top this Sylvester or Roman, right? Yeah, where the talk say they not see anything incriminating. So not be that is not be result of the bullying or waiting they give them drink.
The bullying and the bullying where they bully him. Say no be saying die of natural causes.
Because he began liver enlargement when the parents not pay attention to the even when I watch that matter, when I watch when the papa they talk, I be like, I don't know how to talk, but then again we live in a country where waiting we expect not be waiting they happen. You get, but it's so sad. Anyway, welcome to Naija FM 102.7. Welcome to Tuesday edition of Across the Bridge. My name is Tirome Word above Sarah and B. I will get the one and only Lady J in the building. There are Sam 41 of Naija FM. The next big thing to shake the music industry. Forget. No joke. If they just serious with music, maybe for don't scatter spoil everywhere now. No joke. Yeah, you are good. You got the voice.
Thank you.
Every single time when people attend my show, they tell me, man, that your colleague finish work, that your colleague, for people who know you shout, that your colleague finish work, brilliant performance and the rest. Them.
You know, I even meet this your friend. We come your place with 3 children.
Yeah, college kind. Yeah.
Today where you they do Skylar naming.
Yeah.
He come, so he meet me behind stage. He say, I remember him.
Yeah.
I say no. He say, he come that day.
Yeah.
With children. I say, not true. How the children? How madam? He say, you know that kind.
No, everybody feel your performance. So anyway, Lady J, we'll just breeze through some of the arrangement when they happen for the Nigeria space when we did. First, I believe you don't hear of MC Natural arrangement, right?
I don't even hear about now on top authentic event on post for Facebook.
Now you tell.
Now I see him. I say I wait happen. I can't call him. He can't say himself. Now call him. See what happen. No, we know he's celebrating 50th. He never took I know say MC Natural come that day.
Yeah. I know.
So he say for some time MC Natural don't they complain say they feel fine. They feel fine. So even that day go he they complain say that than the last day we in see him. And so he give me the whole explanation as to what thing happen. Say he died for his house. Nobody know. And now around the sad. Easter period said that they perceive the neighbors around and they perceive order from his house. So they even think say in travel. You know that kind of matter. So it is very painful. But this now where at least having somebody around they come in.
And having a neighbor that you communicate with regularly, that check up on you, check up on the neighbor. You get, but it's so sad. My condolences to the family and to those who matter to them. It's so sad because one thing I know they lie here now to hear the news of anybody passing, whether the person they close to me or you know they close to. Because you believe say we human beings supposed to enjoy life to the fullest until Baba God say it's your time to come. You get me hearing news of. Person they pass when the time never really reach. They do me one kind.
It pain me. I no go lie. And no, it's only wait. It can't remind me of my friend 8 years ago when Waka. We just chat. We chat and sleep carry me go. So I don't know. Say I can't. Now this now one person will be say we they talk. So if anybody if call me around 2 a.m. 3 a.m. and I go pick na him. So. I see in last messages, I said, so sorry, I sleep off. On a good day, he's supposed to call me back. He no call me, I can't call him. He no pick. Throughout that day, I call him. He no respond. He no respond. I don't know what to do, and I don't know he has. I don't know anybody for his family. I can't give you a number. You know, sometimes I go see the person they vex for you. Maybe if you see my number, no one pick. I can't give you a number to 3 of my friends, and all of them come back with the same report. If they ring, I can't confuse. Then this now between Wednesday and Thursday. By Friday now, somebody called me. My elder sister, she go ask me when last you talked to her. I say, we chat last on Tuesday, but they pick. She said, okay, I go call you back. I say, wait, ma, what happened? She can't say, it don't go. I say, I confused. Just like that. How? And say, and They don't even know, say, so he don't die for like 3 days before they even discover. Now, colleagues call in their house.
Come check.
Come say, he no report to work. They call him, he know they pick. And he don't lock door for in room. So the guys break the door. He don't the routine. You know.
So sad.
Sad.
I even remember every that time self, it gets some time when we dey primary school, if one auntie not come school, that same day the headmistress go delegate like 2 of the teachers, say go to our house, go and check what's going on. You get, I don't know whether we do, we get all those type of culture or ways again these days, since when everybody don't become oga of himself. I can do it alone. This I can do.
I love my
alone.
privacy.
I love my privacy. I'm an introvert. I don't like to go out. Now you will take seek that away. Nobody go out because everybody will say you are introvert. You are inside the house.
I love my space. I don't like anybody coming around.
Yeah, I want to.
But
be
even Bible say 2 are better than 1, because if one fall, the other one go carry him. Go there to support him. You know.
Anyway, one of the trendy topics, I'm not sure say you don't familiarize yourself with her. Now, this issue of Skibi and this is the influencer, what will be her name? Nikki da Baby, when he talks, say he goes
Nikki da Baby.
He goes Skibi as say they be one user for ritual. He can't they do kabash, you know. After that series of write-up, this is what they do. For Mayor Kun, as he mentioned Mayor Kun name, so Mayor Kun was in yard. Now that one naka 1 billion lawsuit. You get me. Since then, more videos just they come from. At first, when I see that matter, you know, I think now inside last year we talked the effect of drugs you get. I'm not sure say you not get something when you go talk say people they take for street now when I never test, when I don't know the repercussion. The last one when I test wrong, there be brownies.
When be this?
That was last year.
Last year.
I go my guy house. They do small get together. As I just entered, they all welcome me with something when be like cake. You get. I ask, what it be this? He say, na cake, but it go make your body dey alright. Bad guy like me, now I carry 2. Idiots me. So me to your carry 1.
Oh, carry 1. Hey, God.
Normally, self, that small one when you see, so you need to cut it into 2. 4 people fish share, but me carry 2 of the small ones. Guaga, the thing sweet. I shop am. Thing sweet. For 2-3 hours. I did alright too. I did enjoy the party. I just noticed now only me dey alone for where people full. That was after like 3 hours. To cut the long story short, it wasn't funny. I dey hallucinate. I dey see things. So what is still make me compose now because I not dey new to things like that. You get. So I know say something dey wrong. If I carry me go room. Carry me go room. My guy will follow me dey with me. So what did I say? Like that thing all the art on my body. Carry me go room. Now so they carry me go one of the room. And there I stay. A lot of things will happen when I don't fit talk on top radio when it happened to me because of that thing when I take. It cannot be something when you feel vomit. Not be something, you know, say you go take alcohol once you high, you look, wow, you go be like say the thing reduce. This one they enter your bloodstream.
Wow. You
get me. So my brother, when you hear say there's something say brand is to be like kick, my brother, run for your life. And that was the first time, the last time when I ever take her. Especially
if you go gathering and they say brown is there.
My brother run. If they give you anything when look like cake, it thick, it brown, it's small. They know they cut and the way that they cut cake. My brother, my sister, if you are not used to that lifestyle, meow. Tell us thank you.
Even cake now they put this thing, they hire
a lot of things. You
a lot of things inside.
So now why? So when I see that, what it come my mind and say, oh, hope not be waiting this young lady carry chop because the whole talk was not ritual this and that. This is
they add up. They join. It is possible say now that kind thing happen. Yes. And so she know they herself and she they talk all those things.
So he dey expect to say now because the thing go certainly clear after like 24-48 hours depending on how your brain strong reach. So he dey expect say after the thing don't clear, then you come to say, oh, hey, look at what happened. You get me? Can't explain. But no, there is a follow up on that. See, they retain the same story when you yarn. They can't make put the ask, okay, what did they really go on? Is this accusation real or not? Or not just say as you don't talk all those things now, you know what, come apologize, say see what really happened, you want flow with that story. So the story never clear because every time when she write a lot of questions they come my mind when I want to ask.
You see, I get a little bit of knowledge on that whole matter. When somebody they hallucinate, that no be the time to take that person serious. You know, because the person go talk so many things. He will say, this one, that one. Hey. I get a friend of mine way go into depression like that, you know. So she dey in that mode. Even talk say me, I won't kill him. I won't kill him. I won't do this one to her.
But
she don't be suspecting. But when they can't give and they carry him, we know all of us know say
what did they go?
She not be herself at this point in time. So we bundle and go hospital. They can't sedate her. She can't sleep for hours. When she can't open eye, you know, can't be like the same person where they talk all those things before. You know, she gonna say.
If you remember some of those few things when you talk,
she said, she funny enough when we tell her, say what you talk, she not lie. She no fit talk this kind of thing. I lie. We just want mix to. Yeah, I said, you say me, I won't kill you. He said, me. I say yes. Now what you talk?
But I don't know, based on this whole story, because it be like one side that Skibby never really come outside talk. Then the mayor couldn't, when they mention, never really talk their own parts. Now only from man with the one thing I did very sure of now say something happen in that. It might not be the ritual when she did talk. Because even get one time when they talk, why I even suspect if you be brother, you gave me dog caca to eat.
Oh.
And you know, say dog caca the brand, it be like brand. So now that thing make me feel, I've been at this same brand is there. You know, come and enjoy with us. Let's because all these people, you know, with the enjoy.
It's possible. It's very possible.
But since when your eye don't clear, you not go go on with that story. You go look at what happened. So why still go on with that story?
Maybe she not fully out of her.
Yet till now, many days. When that thing happened, my brother, it don't reach almost. Don't they go over 1 week now? If I correct, week. Yes, now. So your eyes supposed on clear.
Okay, eyes. I just say not just like a few days.
No. And for somebody like Skibby when get carried on the line, I think maybe you need to speak out more. May really explain.
Yes,
what really happened. What triggered those are whole arrangement. All this side talk from here and that, not the amount to anything.
Well, I don't believe say they won't use them for ritual. I don't believe that line. Because we all know say Skibby no be ritualist on the norms, you know, no be that kind of person. But maybe now still that whole effect of waiting happen at the party. Now they come to mind and say, they be want to do this one to me, you know, that kind of matter. Maybe she sees some things and she thinks say it is real, you know.
But last, my brother, stay away from waiting drugs. Because wait till you talk when you dey on drugs most time to take come back or talk say na lie it dey hard. You get stay away from her. Any party when you hear say take this thing is nice look like cake, my brother run here from R and B.
Even drink, even fruit, this natural fruit drinks where they make from fruits.
They don't mix them too.
They mix them too.
Science student full everywhere now. Hey. Muna dey careful.
Now someone go drink so tete. When they talk say make them carry and go outside. They don't put red carpet for her.
He's a celebrity, high celebrity. So I wanna stay out of. But last I just hope say this whole arrangement, the real truth will come outside. Maybe we'll get to understand what it really happened inside that house. What it really trigger that young lady to start to the talk, say see what happen, go on live video. Because they want to use you for ritual. You're not going to touch your phone first of all. As they come in end of fair, you get
now your phone they go take come up
for you to allow them to allow you go live. They talk all those things and they will video then you can't even during that live video. I think I hit something when it's here in hand, something like glass when you fall. You get so a lot went down, and I hope a clarification will come outside very, very soon to clear whoever they involved for the matter. I
beg celebrities, even not be celebrities, no means when I go they do any. I beg, make una party normal small.
I make all this house party where they do these days. If person when they invite me, they look and we are you okay or you are not okay. Man, know whether I want to follow you mad.
You not party butterfly now. You're not party.
No, I know they attend. Do you know I'm fast approaching 40, so I don't attend parties anyhow these days again. Now my shop party, family party now they like go where people when they get children to think about day. I don't get theory now. You get me.
Now I make them say if you want employ driver, employ elderly man we don't marry.
Because you go fear for your life. Yes. You not go employ young person when never get family. Next you go they press 120 for Third Mainland Bridge because you don't get anything to lose on your own.
And you go they vibe, they drive, they dance, you know that kind of thing. So
Pepe, lily, Pepe, lily. If you want it.
From Lagos to the world, Naija FM 102.7.
All right, many thanks to you for watching. I beg, may you try like and subscribe to this page so you go enjoy so many other fantastic content from Naija FM 102.7. Too much.